Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, ETH is stuck in a range basically. It's this up and down move. I mean, maybe now we see the flush. I don't know, Bitcoin is coming down just now. Ethereum is still holding okay. It did recover a little bit more than Bitcoin earlier today. So Bitcoin here, as you can see, I just opened it. Yeah, I know it's an ETH video, but obviously expectations on the Bitcoin chart are still for price to go lower. Either wave 4 topped already, or it can go a little higher, but to be a wave 4, it should stay below 26,450. So also here, focus on lower against resistance. Same situation on the ETH chart, not ETH BTC, but on the ETH chart. As long as price is below 1663, 1664, focus is on lower, and one more low should occur. The focus at the moment, or the idea, is that either a B wave topped here on the 29th of August or a wave 4. They're both possible. It will depend further, it doesn't matter in the short term, but further down the line, it's really important because the B wave, if that topped, then a C wave could take us down to 1200, 1300. If a wave 4 topped, then it can just take us down maybe here into this region. We talk about 1460 to 1530. We will get the clue what's going on after the next low. That's why I'd like to see another low. What could happen if ETH breaks above, or price breaks above 1664, then I would have to consider that the B wave is still unfolding, a higher B wave with a sell-off afterwards. But until that happens, the focus is directly on lower. And if after the next low, a 5-wave move up occurs, then I will buy the pullback in anticipation for higher prices. Same situation on the Bitcoin chart. If after the next low, a corrective rally occurs, then we have a really good signal that the green wave count is playing out based on what I see now. And then I will attempt a short trade into the $1,200 to $1,300 region. Even though I'm tracking on the larger scale a bullish scenario, I will always take or make my decisions based on where currently reward is high and risk is low. And that will depend on how the price behaves after the next low. Hope that makes sense. You can always ask a question in the comments. Feel free to do so. But yeah, this here is getting a bit messy. This could easily turn into a triangle pattern. You cannot predict these triangle patterns. All you can really do is to understand that they are, they regularly happen in wave 4s. So if we see a little bit more, higher low, lower high movement, then this could turn into a triangle. This was also a triangle. Yeah, this looks like this, just in small. So what could happen here is just ongoing sideways action for this week, and it could just turn into, a healthy wave 4, but a potential triangle pattern. I know it's boring. I can't see these anymore, but it is what the market likes to do in these days, which makes it very, very boring. But then when it moves very quickly. So this is something I start to consider if I see a little bit more sideways action today. I hope that makes sense. It would just mean that the price will correct a little bit more sideways and over time, not necessarily through price. So it could obviously move a little bit higher to complete that correction, but it can also just stretch out sideways. But anyway, it came down deep enough into the resistance area to consider it a healthy wave 4 anyway, with a wave 5 to follow. Micro support really remains at 1611, 1591, and 1576. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.